In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take productive notes in Notion without getting confused. Perfect for beginners. We'll move from a blank workspace to a simple note system you can use daily. Open your browser and head to Notion, then log in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus sign for a new page. Give the page a clear name, something like Productive Notes, so you always know where to start. On the blank page, select Templates. In the template gallery, search for Notes or Class Notes. These templates are great because they provide a ready-made structure and save you time setting up. Pick a layout that feels clean and focused, then click Use this template. Depending on the template, you might see example sections or sample notes. Treat these as placeholders. Rename any section labels to match how you think, and delete anything you don't need so the page feels clean from the start. The goal is to reduce clutter and make the structure work for you. You're ready to write. Click anywhere on the page and start typing your notes. As you capture ideas, organize them with simple titles or headings. Think of headings as signposts. Before you switch topics, type a short, clear title so you can scan the page later and instantly find what you need. Good section names could be overview, key points, or action items, but choose what feels natural to you. When details pile up, use bullet points. Press Enter for a new line and type a dash at the start to create a bullet. Bullets are perfect for key facts, action items, or definitions. Keep each bullet to one idea, and if you need extra context, add a brief line under it instead of stuffing everything into a single sentence. For longer sections, group related bullets under a short subheading to keep lists readable. For different subjects or projects, create more pages. In the sidebar, click Add a Page, then name it clearly so its purpose is obvious at a glance. To keep everything organized, drag these pages under your main dashboard in the sidebar. Nesting them there gives you one central hub with all your note pages grouped neatly below it. If the template added an icon or color, keep it consistent across pages so they're easy to spot. From here, your routine is straightforward. Type your notes, organize them by section, and update them daily. A quick daily review to refine headings, clean up bullets, and add missing context keeps your notes useful and easy to trust. The simpler the structure, the more likely you are to stick with it. Your notes are now productive and organized. Stay consistent and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.